downloaded my tune from my email, so I'm gonna put it on the car. I got the little USB with me, or micro SD card, and we're gonna flash the car and then finally be tuned by Lund. Okay, so I was gonna do an install video for the NGauge, but it was actually a lot harder than what I thought it was gonna be. I did download the tune and I put it on my NGauge, and now hopefully my tune will work and I can tune the car. Okay, so we're gonna go to tuning. Well, hopefully I have it. So there's my tune. Select tune. All right, flash this tune. Here we go.
Amazon gift card.
Okay, so the tune is installed. Turn the key off and then start the vehicle. Okay, let's see. Start it up. I haven't done the drive yet, but we're about to do that in a few minutes. We're gonna go get some food, and I'm just gonna put this back in here. I know that's not how you, this isn't how you install it. Like, that's not the proper way. All right, so I've been driving with the tune, and it drives a lot better, and I hit max PSI now. Which is good. Before, I think the restriction was at like 11 PSI. I'm gonna start my data log real quick. Turn off the car. And wait a little bit, and then I'll turn it back on. I got help from a friend from Instagram, and I finally ended up installing it. It took me about an hour, not even, probably 45 minutes. Either way, it was a lot longer than I expected. But okay, so we're gonna to data log it. We're gonna turn the engine on. Go to the NGauge. First, we're gonna go to diagnostics, data logging. We're gonna touch data logging, and all the, it's connecting. Okay, so you can see it says SD log off. That means it's not data logging right now. You just click it to start data logging. And what they want is you can data log or do 2 minutes idle. So we're gonna click, wait, touch it. Okay, there it goes. Log number 6. And then we'll just sit idle for 2 minutes. Okay, so now that we've been idle for 2 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and push it again. Now it says SD log off, so that means you're done with that data log. And now the last thing that they want from you to data log is you're going to slowly bring the RPMs up to 5,500. So we'll do that, and then bring it right back down to idle. So we're gonna start the log. Gotta tap it a little bit with pressure. It's still off. Okay, so there's data log number 7. It's in progress right now. We're gonna slowly bring the RPMs up to 5,500. idle. I went past 5,500 just by a little bit, but I'm sure that's no problem. And then you cancel the data log, or you stop it. There it is, you're done. And then you take out the SD card, plug it up to your computer, download the log, send it to your tuner. And then they'll get back to you within a few days, and with your revision if there's any necessary. Sometimes whenever I'm under full throttle, the car, it will start hesitating, or I can feel like the pipes jerking. I don't know what it is, but the car starts to slow down whenever that happens. Like, I'll be on full throttle and the car will just start shaking. You can hear like the pipes. Sounds like there's like some combustion going on. But yeah, whenever you hear that, the car starts to slow down. So I'll see if that's an issue with my tune or what's going on. But before I finish this video, here it is again if you guys want to know what it looks like. If you can see, it's not all the way inside of the vent. It kind of sticks out. It's because it's magnetic. And what you do, it's easy. It's supposed to be easy unplug. It's supposed to be very convenient. Like I said, it's magnetic, so you reach right here. You can see my fingers have a place to grab. You can spin it a little bit if you want to, but yeah, like you can spin it. It doesn't fall off no matter how fast you're going. Like I said, it's magnetic. You pull. Here's the mount. And then the OBD cord is in there, and it's plugged up at the bottom still. So this is how it looks. The cord comes up and goes inside. I kind of wrapped it around there so that the cord's not dangling on my feet or anything. Yeah, I know the car's dirty. I need to wipe that. But there's a magnet back here, right there. There's a magnet, and on the back of this mount, there's a magnet too. And yeah, you bring it right there, and then you just watch it. Like, see, it goes in by itself. Goes in by itself. And, you touch the screen, turns on, and you can do everything from here. You can go to diagnostics, settings, and the sleep awake. You can choose how this device turns on. But yeah, that's it. And then it turns off whenever like you're not doing anything. Like, I'm gonna take my keys out. Take the keys out. Get out of the car. And it should be turning off any second. It'll say powering off. The mount was only $25. There it is, powering off. I'll see you guys in the next video, and we can send off my data log. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe, share the video with your friends, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think I should do next. See you guys in the next video.